Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trockers, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook as well as TikTok, Trockers again, right? So now we want to attempt the question on geometrical constructions in Locus. This is ZIMSEC November 2018, right? So the question reads, use a ruler in compasses only for all constructions and show all construction lines and arcs clearly. All constructions must be completed on a single diagram, right? So we want to construct a triangle, but remember the trick, you need just a quick diagram, right? So we want to construct a triangle ABC, right? So we have our angle here, AB, so we are guided by this. So you can put your AB at the base, right? So my AB is 6 centimeters. Then from AB to C, it's 45. So you need a 90. Then you bisect. Then BC is about 6.5. Then you have your triangle. This is easy, right? It can be done in a second. Okay, so what we need a sheet of plain paper here, right? What else do we need? We need our pair of compasses and pencil, as well as our ruler, right? So I will go ahead. Remember guys, what I said, make sure you just draw a line here. Make sure it's long enough, right? And clear as well. So we have that line, right? So from there, I'm going to mark my point, which is my A, right? Now, remember, from A to B, it's 6 centimeters. So I am going to measure my 6 centimeters. You start at 0, right? Okay, there we go. Right, so from there, don't forget to sip your coffee here so that you don't fall asleep. While it's doing this, you should be smiling all the way. All right, so AB is 6 centimeters. Right, now moving from A to C, we have an angle at B, which is 45 degrees. So we know how to construct 90. If you don't know how to do that, just kindly go back to a video where I demonstrated on how to construct an angle of 90 and 45, right? Then from there, you open a radius that is more than half, you construct an angle, here. After that, I don't need this line, so I can make it just a faint one, right? Because I just want to use it a little bit to get my angles. Then from there, I will bisect 90 degrees to get an angle of 45. So I'll open suitable radius, I'll construct this arc, I'll construct another arc. Then from there, I'll just join this point B here and the intersection of those two arcs, right? Then we know that from B to C, it's 6.5 centimeters. So from B to C, it's 6.5. So I'm going to measure my 6.5 centimeters. So this is 6.5, right? So I'll just construct that line, and I know where my C is, 6.5, and this is 45 degrees, right? Then just go ahead and join your C and your A because it's a triangle, right? We now have that triangle. Then part B, construct the locus of points that are 4 centimeters from A. So this is a locus of points equidistant from a given point. So remember, it's just a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So now let's construct our circle of radius 4 centimeters, right? It's from A, so I'll just construct my circle at A here, right? Oh, that's nice. All right. Yeah, make sure it's visible enough, the circle, right? It must be of radius 4, right? Then from there, bisect the angle BCA. So I'm going to bisect the angle BCA. So it's the angle C here. So to bisect the angle, you draw an arc that intersects the two lines, AB and AC. Then from there, you open suitable radius. You draw your first arc. You go here again. Then another arc. Then you just join this C and that. Right, so I've constructed locus of points. I've constructed, I've bisected the angle BCA, but in actual fact, that's the locus of points equidistant from BC and CA, right? Then mark and label points X1 and X2, which lie both on the bisector and 4 centimeters from A. So obviously it's here, right, and there. So that's where my X1 and my X2 are, right? Then after that, state clearly the locus represented by the bisector of BCA. So this locus is called, this was E, it is called locus of points equidistant from AC and BC. Right, then we are done. So that's all we needed to do for this particular question. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next segment.